fabricated charges. Do you deny that? And secondly, do you have an agreement with Israel for them to use former Soviet air bases in your country if they should decide to attack Iran and not be able to fly back? There's fueling issues that land in your country.
So what agency you represent?
Sorry?
Which agency you
The
represent?
Wall Street.
So I have nothing to say on this issue. I believe, as for today, our principal position.
Yes, you see, it's the event out of our program, so I can't go in detail. I simply don't know it more than what I said, but I know that it's traditional retreat, which is our Turkish friends usually doing for the Security Council members. And I also expect that some other members of Security Council will accept the invitation of Turkish side, and we will participate in this retreat. That's what I can say, but maybe someone from, you have a question or you want to add something to that?
I have a question.
Yeah, okay, so that's what I can say for the time being. I think we'll have asked our Turkish friends for more details. This issue is always on our agenda. We use even very small opportunity to bring the truth about this conflict, about Armenian-Azerbaijan military territorial conflict to the world community. Your particular question, to bring it or not to the agenda of Security Council, you know the procedure. Before doing something like that, you have to consult members of Security Council and etc., etc. What I can say that as for today, I don't have such a instruction from my government.
Celebrate press freedom in your country. In what way?
Council, I'm not authorized to say something on behalf of Council on this issue. But I've heard about this invitation, and I know that it's people considering it, so that's what I can say for the time being on the issue.
This freedom of the press in your country, do you celebrate freedom of press?
As far as I know, we don't have any.
Sədrliyə başlamışıq. Bizim üçün bu həddindən artıq önəmli və mühüm bir hadisədir. Hətta bizim ölkəmizin prezidenti möhtərəm İlham Əliyev həmin hadisənin tarixi hadisə adlandırıb və ilk gündən biz hamıya çalışmışıq, çatdıraq ki, Azərbaycanın müxtəlif beynəlxalq məsələlərlə bağlı özünə məxsus mövqeyi var. Xalq sülhü və təhlükəsizlik qorumaqdır. Bilirsiniz ki, Azərbaycan özü xarici Ermənistan ünvanına görə bir ərazilərin müəyyən hissəsini bitirib işğal altındadır. Ona görə bu məsələ əlbəttə bizim üçün həm önəmli olaraq qalır. Əslində mən sizə deyim, biz dünyanı pis tanımırıq, amma ümid edirik ki, artıq dünya da bizi daha yaxşı tanıyır.
Teşekkürler Sayın Büyükelçim, çok sağ olun.